Hello everyone, I hope you had time to practice recognizing numbers on the abacus. Now today, we're going to learn how to add on the abacus, add numbers together. First, let's recap what happens when we count. Okay, when we count 1, 2, we're just adding 1, 3, 4, and after 4, when we were counting on the abacus, what comes after 4? 5, right? Now, when we add 5, okay, so after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, the next one is 5. So we add the 5 and take away the 4. So when we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want to add 1, adding 1 is the same as adding 5 and taking away 4. So when you want to count up past 4, we don't have another bead here. Okay? So since we don't have another bead on the bottom, that's how you know 5 comes next. So you add the 5, take the 4 away. You add 5, and you take something away. That's what we're going to talk about today. Sometimes we need to add a number when we don't have enough beads on the bottom to add it. So we have to work with what we got, which is our top bead. So here's an example. Let's say we have 4, okay, and we want to add 3. But we don't have 3 beads on the bottom to add. We don't have any more beads left, actually. So we have to add a 5. But 5 is too much. We only wanted to add 3. So we have to take some away. How do we know how many to take away? You might know, but we have to learn the abacus way. To know how much we have to take away anytime we don't have enough beads on the bottom and we have to add 5, we have to know what the pairs of numbers are that add up to 5. Okay? Let's start with 1. So if we put 1 on the abacus, okay, we have to count how many beads we add before we get up to 5, okay? Or count how many beads we add to equal 5, okay? So let's count. 1, 2, we added 3, and now we have to go one more. One more step gets us up to 5. So again, we started with 1, and we added 1, add 2, add 3, and add 1 more, gets us to 5. Okay? So that means 1 and 4 are a pair. Okay? What about if we started with 2? So we got to count how many we have to add to make 5. Add 1, 2, next 3 makes us go to 5. So 2 and 3 are a pair. And how about 3? If we start with 3, how many do we have to add to get up to 5? We add 1, and the next one, 2, that gets us to 5. Okay? So 3 and 2 are a pair, and 1 more. Let's do 1 more. If we have 4, well, we kind of already know this one. Oops. If we have 4, we only have to add 1 more, because right after 4 comes 5. Okay, so 4 and 1 are a pair. We call these numbers complements. And when we know complements really well, we can use them to make adding easier. So here they are again. 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 4 and 1. So the complement of 1 is 4, the complement of 2 is 3, the complement of 3 is 2, and the complement of 4 is 1. The complement is also how many it takes to get up to 5, okay? Like 2. 3 is the complement of 2 because if you have 2, you need 3 more to get up to 5. So that means 5 is 3 more than 2. 5 is 3 bigger than 2. So let's go back to our earlier example of 4 plus 3. We put 4 on the abacus, and we don't have any more beads left to add 3. So we have to add 5. But 5 is too big. How many too big is it? How much more than 3 is 5? Well, let's remember our complements. What's the complement of 3? Which is what we want to add. It's 2. So that's what we take away. Okay, and that's the answer. We'll do that again. Have 3, and we want to add, or my bad, we have 4. That was our problem. We have 4, and we want to add 3. So we add 5, take away the complement. And now that's the answer. What is this number? 7. Let's try some more. 2 plus 4. Okay, so we put a 2 on the abacus. And we don't have 4 beads. We only have 2. So since we don't have 4 beads to add, we use our 5, but it's more than 4. We only wanted to add 4, and 5 is too much. How much? Well, it's just 1 bigger. It's just 1 more, so we take 1 bead away. Add 5, take away the complement. Let's look at that one again one more time. 2 plus 4. Add 5, take away the complement of the number we're adding. Here's another example. 3 plus 3. So we got 3 on the abacus. Do we have enough beads to add 3 on the bottom here? No. So we add 5. And what's the number we're adding? Originally, 3. So we take away the complement of 3, which is 2. And that's the answer. This number right here, which is 6. Next example. 2 plus 6. So we have 2 on the abacus. Do we have 6 beads down here? No. We only have 2. But we do have the number 6. Remember how to make the number 6? Let's look over here on this other abacus. This is how we make the number 6, okay? A 5 and a 1. That's what the number 6 looks like. So we're going to do that over here. And that's our answer. What's this number? The number 8. All right, 3 plus 4. We don't have enough beads. So we add 5 and take away the complement. And that's the answer. 7. Okay, one more example. 2 plus 7. If you remember the number 7, how it looks. Number 7 is like this. So we're going to do that over here. And that's the answer, 9. All right, I hope that was helpful. Now that we learned how to do simple addition on the abacus, next time we'll learn subtraction.